Hi guys, I'm Annabelle Knight and right now you're watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel, the place where we talk about sex and sex toys so that when you shop at the Lovehoney website, you know what the heck you're doing. In this week's video, we are going to be talking Silent Night, 6 quiet sex toys for silent festive fun. But before we do, I've just got to remind you that if you never want to miss another one of our videos, you're gonna need to hit that subscribe button. Christmas is brilliant for all sorts of reasons, but one thing that can be a little bit tricky to navigate is the fact that for a lot of us, we are spending time sleeping over in other people's houses. Now, even though you might be visiting friends or family, you might not want to put your sexual pleasure on the back burner at all. And if that's you, then don't worry, because I have collated 6 super quiet sex toys so you can enjoy yourself secretly. The first toy I want to tell you about is the Lovehoney silencer, and hint, the clue is in the name. Now this is a smooth coated, wavy, rigid vibrator. It has a rounded tip and it's great for internal and external stimulation. It takes 2 AA batteries and all you need to do is unscrew the base and pop them in, and then it is controlled by a button on the bottom. If I turn it on, it will buzz into life. Now this is really quiet considering how powerful it is. If I pop this on the desk, you can see even on that lowest setting, it's really powerful. Now there are tons of settings to choose from with this toy. You've got 3 speeds and a variety of patterns. And when you're all done, all you need to do is press and hold the button on the base and it will turn itself off. Now I would always recommend using some lubricant with your sex toys, and in this case it's a good quality water-based lube that you'll need. Next up we have the We-Vibe Jive. Now this is a fantastic couples toy or love egg if it's solo play and you have a vagina. It's also app controlled, so if you and your partner are spending Christmas in separate households, you can still have intimate moments using the app. If, however, the app's not your thing, there is a button on the removal cord and all you need to do is press it and it'll buzz into life. Now this is a very quiet toy made entirely from premium silicone and it has loads of settings to choose from, so just keep scrolling until you find your favourite. When you're all done, it's a simple press and hold situation and it'll turn itself off. Next up, we have a vibrator for people with a clitoris. This is the Womanizer Pro 40. Now, Womanizer, a very famous brand, and they work entirely on vibration paired with suction. So it's a very unique set of sensations that you'll experience. All you need to do is charge your Womanizer up, press the power button, and then control the settings with the plus and minus button. Now, you can probably hear this and you're thinking, well, this is supposed to be Silent Night and that's not that silent. It actually only really makes noise when it's not in contact with your clitoris. Once the seal is made between you and the toy is practically silent, so perfect if you are staying the night at someone's house. When you're all done, just press and hold the power button and it'll turn itself off. Next up, the Bionic Bullet Cock Ring. Now this is fantastic for all sorts of different types of play scenarios. You can use it in couples play, you can pop it on your hand and turn your hand into a vibrator, or you could put it on a static dildo and turn your toy into a vibrator as well. It takes 1 AAA battery, so just pop that in and screw the base on and then press the button on the side. The cock ring is made from a super stretchy, skin-safe material and has 2 different rings. One fits down the base of the penis if you're choosing to use it alongside a penis, and the other behind the testicles, and that gives you extra security. For the clitoris, we have these fantastic nodules which will provide external stimulation, and for everyone involved, we have the added bonus of the fact that it actually vibrates. So if you press the button on the side, it'll buzz into life, and if you keep pressing that button, you can scroll through all the different settings. As with all sex toys, you can't go wrong with a slick of lubricant, and in this case, it's a good quality water-based one that you'll need. Now for those with a penis, this is perfect for you. It is the Headmaster Stroker, and it is a dual textured masturbator. On one side, we have these deep ridges, and if you turn it inside out, you can see the other has these fantastic nodules. This is made from a stretchy, skin-safe material that warms to body temperature really quickly, but if you want to get there even quicker, you can submerge this in warm water so it feels really realistic. Now this is an absolutely silent toy because it doesn't have any moving parts, so it's perfect if you are staying the night at someone's house during the festive season. As with all sex toys, and I say this every single time, but lubricant's really important, especially with a stroker. A good quality water-based lube that you can reapply as and when you need it will be perfect. And finally, we have the sensual glass double-ended G-spot dildo. And it is completely silent because just like the Headmaster, it has no moving parts. So can you hear that? Is that the sound of pleasure? I think it is. It has two different ends, one thicker than the other, so you can tailor make your pleasure depending on what you like. And you'll also notice it has this fantastic curve, which is perfect for seeking out that elusive G-spot. Now, because it is made from glass, you can use any type of lubricant that you like. The choice is yours. Just make sure you give it a rinse after each and every use to keep it nice and hygienically clean, ready for the next time you want to use it. So there you have it, my top toys for a silent night during this festive period. If I've missed your favourite toy off the list or you have any thoughts or comments of your own, please pop your musings in the comments box below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you never want to miss another video ever again, hit that subscribe button. For notifications, click the bell. And if you just can't wait for next week to roll around for another video, then don't worry because there's one coming up right now. I've been Annabelle Knight and you've been watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel. Bye!